If the printed lines are not aligned, adjust the printed position. Check if the printer is turned on. Check if there are sheets in the paper cassette. Press the Setup button. With the arrows, select Maintenance. Press OK button. With the arrows, select Add Alignment. Press the OK button. A printed alignment sheet will be printed. It will take 1 minute. Be careful that if the ink level is low, the printed alignment sheet will not be printed correctly. Open the cover. Place the alignment sheet on the glass with the printed side facing down. Align the sheet with the alignment mark. Close the document cover. Press the black button or the color button. The printer starts scanning the printed alignment sheet and the printed position will be adjusted. After the printed position adjustment completion message is displayed, remove the sheet. The work is done.